So this is our first class of geography in which we are going to study about interpreting maps, sign and symbols. So before starting the topic, let's discuss some previous topics like what is map, types of map and components of map. So let's get started. So first of all of you must be familiar with the globe. That a globe is a model of Earth. It can be useful when we want to study Earth as a whole. But when we want to study a part of Earth, in that case, we use maps. When we want to study about our country, states, district, towns and villages. In such a situation, we use maps. So, all of you must be familiar with the maps. I am having this physical map of India and this one political map of India. So, these are what? These are the small scale map. Small scale means we are showing a big country on a piece of paper. So, these are what? These are the small scale map. Now, a point to be remembered that the definition of map is what? A map is what? A map is a representation of Earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Now, what is the meaning of this scale? I am not talking about the regular scale which you use in your classroom. You must have seen on the map that here this scale is mentioned. Always remember that a map, it is always drawn to a scale. Now what is this scale? You know that it is not possible to show the distance which is in kilometers on the ground. So that distance it is converted into centimeters. So scale is what? The scale is the ratio of distance measured on the map to the actual distance on the ground. Suppose the distance between your house and your school is 10 kilometers. And if you show this 10 kilometer distance by 2 centimeter on a map, then it means that you will show 1 centimeter on a map is equals to 5 kilometers on ground. Simple. Next is types of map. So, about the types of map, there are 3 types of map. First is the physical map. In the physical map, what you will show? You will show plains, rivers, oceans, etc. Then, this is the political map. In the political map, what you will show? The cities, towns, villages and different countries and states. Now, next one is the thematic map. So, in the thematic map, it focuses on the information such as road maps, rainfall maps, map showing distribution of the forest, industries, etc. Now, the next heading is components of map. So, there are 3 components of map. First is distance. Second is direction. And third is symbol. So, in the distance, I already told you that the distance, that means a map is always drawn to a scale. In that you have to consider the scale. And scale is what? That is a ratio of distance measured on the map to the actual distance on the ground. It is a ratio basically. Next one is the direction. So, you must be familiar with the direction. That this is north, this is south, this is east and this is west. Then this one is northeast, this one is southeast, this one is southwest and this one is northwest. So these points north, south, east and west, they are known as what? They are known as the cardinal points, and this northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest, they are known as what? They are known as a intermediate direction. Clear? Now, next moving to the symbols. That what are symbols? It is not possible to draw on a map the actual shape and size of different features such as buildings, roads, bridges, trees, railways, etc. For that purpose, we use what? We use symbols. And in the next class, what we will do? We will discuss about the topographical maps. Thank you.